Ladies, if you want a man to truly value you, remember these two key points. 1. Never ask him, "What does she have that I don't?" If a man strays, he might say, "Because she understands me." But is it really about her sweet talk or fake charm? No, the real issue is that you two have grown apart. Think back, you used to talk for hours, laugh at silly stories, and enjoy each other's company. Now, arguments over little things, silence instead of connection. The truth, if you don't understand him, someone else will. 2. How to truly understand him. Step 1. Warm up before talking. Why do couples become strangers? Because we forget to listen with empathy. We speak our minds but ignore whether the other person wants to hear it. 3 rules for better communication. Right timing. Is he relaxed? Is the mood calm? Say it in a way he'll like. Keep it gentle, not accusing. Make it reasonable. Start with what's good for him. Then suggest what works for both of you. Example, if he forgets your anniversary, instead of yelling, say, "You must be exhausted from work. I was hoping we could celebrate our 10th anniversary tonight. I miss you." This makes him want to make it up to you. Step 2. Find his emotional soft spot. Men adore women who get them. Try these 2 techniques. Technique 1. The feelings plus facts. Formula: you must feel emotion. Because fact: I'd feel the same. Example, if he's stressed from work, say, "You're upset because your coworker wasn't helpful. I'd be frustrated too." This calms him and makes him feel understood. Technique 2. The yes and approach. Acknowledge his feelings first, then gently guide him. Examples: "You're right. That must have hurt." Validation: "I know you worry about our son's grades." Understanding his motive: "Maybe there's another way to see this." Offering a new perspective. This way, he feels heard but is open to change. Final tip: stay calm. Anger ruins communication. If things get heated, pause. Come back when you're both calm. Practice these steps, and you'll build trust, reduce fights, and keep your bond strong.